The Welsh Parliament is changing. 96 members of the Senedd will be elected at the next election, but what will the constituencies look like? The Local Democracy and Boundary Commission for Wales has become the Democracy and Boundary Commission Cymru, and from now on will review the constituencies used to elect members of the Senedd, as well as continuing to review local government electoral boundaries in Wales. We need to create 16 Senedd constituencies before the next election, and 6 members of the Senedd will be elected in each one. These constituencies will be formed by pairing Wales's 32 UK parliamentary constituencies, the ones that were used for the recent general election. All of the constituencies we pair have to be connected to each other. In September, we'll publish initial proposals, our first attempt at creating the new map of Senedd constituencies. We'll also open a 4-week consultation on those proposals. Then, in December, we'll publish our revised proposals and we'll open another 4-week consultation before submitting our final decisions in March 2025. These new constituencies will take effect automatically at the 2026 Senedd election. Find out more about the review of Senedd constituencies by heading to dbcc.gov.wales.